My series, the epitome of Mirae's SMT technology. So far, PTH, odd-shaped components, had to be inserted by users hand only. In line with the emerging Fourth Industrial Revolution, Mirae successfully developed My series that enables smart factory systems. My series is the hybrid equipment that enables automatic placement and insertion of SMT and PTH odd-shaped components. Based on SMT mounter technology, My offers high speed and accuracy along with improved productivity and quality. It also accommodates to various parts and supply methods. Mirae's My series will become indispensable part of smart factory system. Based on 6-axis precision heads, My H6ST automatically inserts various heterogeneous components in holes. The head camera precisely recognizes the PCB fiducial mark and automatically compensates the position. ZHMD has new features that are distinguished from previous SMT mounters. It improves quality and eliminating placement defects by measuring component height. The component inspection camera not only maintains consistent brightness based on coaxial LED design, but it also recognizes 6 heads at the same time. Laser vision enables precise inspection of leads that are difficult to distinguish by the camera. Laser vision applies 2 different inspection angles in order to improve lead inspection accuracy. XY Gentry with the 4th generation linear motor that has been independently developed by Mirae boasts high speed and improved accuracy. Automatic nozzle changer offers automatic nozzle change during production and can be held up to 12 different nozzles to be able to handle various components. Avoid function prevents collision between parts, and it is very useful when the density of component is high. PCB hold filtering function prevents PCB detection error by entering SW input values only without any hardware changes. And it performs removes component function by installing shield can after removing HDMI cap. My series enabled automation of various components through dedicated feeders. Bowl feeder automatically supplies parts that comes in a bulk. Up to 5 levels available to meet customers' requirement. Stick feeder automatically changes sticks in the feeder during production and allows for continuous production without pausing the machine. In addition, radial feeder and axial feeder are available. Reel feeder that can be used in combination with various PTH components. Automatic tray feeder changes trays automatically in order to supply proper component during the production. And manual tray feeder has designed for manufacturing multiple types of products in small quantities. Mirae's My series is expanding its functions and utilizations based on creative and distinct technology. Renowned companies in Korea and elsewhere have already chosen My series as a partner with Mirae. As a result, in 2017, Mirae won IR52 Jangyeongsil Award for its remarkable innovation and productivity. Mirae My series brings technological innovation to manufacturers, smart factory system, and reinforces business competitiveness.